So I know we're all getting busy for the big celebration, 250 years as a nation. What a time to be alive and to be an American. Hey, as a woman business owner and a previous airline pilot, those things aren't possible in other countries sometimes. Being born in America means you have unlimited opportunity. There is so much for us to celebrate. As an American company, our team members come as individuals, but together we pull and roll in the same direction every day. And I love that the products you receive from us are made right here in the United States. That's just awesome. If you could see our location of where we are, we have big, beautiful American flags right there in our warehouse to remind our team, this is where you are and this is who you are, an American. Please know that we appreciate your business. We never take this for granted. Every day we come early, we stay late. We come together as individuals and as a team to excite you and appreciate you with American-made products. So let's gather to celebrate our American heritage. We're proud to be Americans and all that this nation has to offer for everyone. Thank you so much for your business. God bless America and God bless your family.